Have you ever seen an iron nail turn round when dipped in a blue copper sulfate solution? Why does this happen? This is because of a displacement reaction. A displacement reaction is a chemical reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its compound. Let us discuss some examples. Zinc plus copper sulfate gives zinc sulfate plus copper. Ferrous plus copper sulfate gives ferrous sulfate plus copper. Here, zinc replaces copper from copper sulfate. Here, iron displaces copper too, but zinc is less reactive than potassium. That is why there is no reaction when zinc reacts with potassium, because zinc is less reactive than potassium. That is the reason. Let us discuss some real life example. Let us say we pour copper sulfur solution into an iron container. What happens? Since iron is more reactive than copper, it will displace copper from copper sulfate and form FeSO4. So, we cannot store copper sulfate in an iron container, right? So, to understand which metal displaces which metal and which metal cannot displace which metal, we have to understand the reactivity series. If we see the reactive series, zinc and ferrous are above the copper. So that is why here we saw that zinc and iron easily replaced copper. So that is the reason. Now let us wrap up the session by a quick summary. More reactive metals kick out less reactive ones from their compound. This is what we call a displacement reaction. Just like one metal saying, "Hey, you are out, I am in." So science is very interesting, right?